That's Mommy's hula hoop. Good job.
It went back up.
Good job. You're so good at that.
I'm very good at this one, right?
Yeah.
But not my blue hula hoop.
You're great with yours too.
Even this one, I just do it like 20 minutes forever.
Uh-huh.
Thank you for letting me try it. Ooh. See how much? I got 161 points.
Oh, you're so good.